It's not like anything you've ever experienced in your life.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flags, Rocks and Rollovers. We have arrived at Estero Beach, the beach resort here in Baja, California, just south of Ensenada. Where we going, Andrew?
We're going to Pit 2 at Baja.
We are somewhere in the middle of nowhere in a little town. Kind of cool though. We're just doing a quick gas stop before we head back into the car. That was the last little bit of paved road before we're now continuing on a dirt road for about 10 miles until we get to our pit location. After bombing through the desert for 9 miles in our rental, we have just arrived at our pit location, 9 to 10 miles outside of town. Really cool spot. I love it.
We're here at race mile 309 of the Score Baja 1000.
What's the nearest town to here?
Vicente Guerrero.
Okay.
And we're just a little bit north of San Quintin, which is a popular town that a lot of people know. We're gonna set up, get staged for tonight, and have a good camp out and prepare for tomorrow's fun race day.
Good morning. It is Friday morning. It is race day. What I'm standing on is the race course. We are not in a no speed zone this year, so trophy trucks and UTVs and motorcycles will be coming blasting up through here. Which I'm super pumped about, that I don't have to walk miles and miles into the desert to see some high-speed action this year. What's up, Mr. Troy?
What's happening?
Welcome to Pit 2, my friend.
Heck yeah. Getting kind of warm out today. Setting up the pits. Had to dig some trenches this morning.
Good time.
Good tough, man. Yeah, and we unloaded the trailer. Man, this is going to be awesome.
What do you think of the location?
It's pretty remote. Just to say that, we can't wait for the first couple of guys to come, you know, really get through that and then set our pace for the day. Okay, but motorcyclers supposed to show up first, I believe, and then we radio back, and then it's on after that.
What's up, Chris?
Here for Baja 2020.
Tell me a little bit about your fabrication corner over here.
Full setup here. We got the main power plant in the back there that runs everything. Typically runs a lot of lights through the night as well. Favorite pieces. Got the plasma cutter set up over here. Got the TIG welder on the bottom here.
Let the Baja begin, man.
Yeah, fun begins here in a few hours. We're just got all set up here, waiting for all the excitement. And we'll be here through the night.
I don't know if you gave it to me wrong or if I wrote it down wrong, but let me know what you think. Thank you.
So I'm working communications between us and all the other 3 pits so that we can kind of gauge when the cars are going to come in so our team can load up fuel or whatever they need.
Cool. What's up, Victor?
Hey, what's going on?
Tell me a little bit about your program and what you guys are doing out here.
Okay, so our industry is kind of the same as what's going on out here. Our students, you see some of the students here with me, they're actually here for our fundamentals of fabrication program, and they're learning chassis design, roll cage construction, shock theory, suspension theory. So a lot of it just kind of works in with what they do in their personal lives, what's going on out here in Baja. The stuff that BF Goodrich does out here at the pits with the fabrication repairs, it all just kind of works out together.
Tell me about your trailer. I'm pretty sure people want to hear about that. That thing is super cool.
So this is one of our 2 mobile repair units. This is the smaller of the 2. It's got everything you could possibly need in it. It's got a MIG welder, a TIG welder. It's got a stick welder, of course. Don't use it much, but it's there if we need it. We have a plasma cutter, full-on generator, compressor. So we can basically do any repairs we need to do out in the field. Anything from cutting tube to notching it. If we have the right people with us, we can even do some shock work for you.
And that was a project in your school as well, correct?
This was a project that they did with another company about 10 years ago, and it's kind of evolved. We've done some more stuff to it. It probably will handle better than most cars out here.
I see the suspension on it. It's crazy.
It's got coilovers, it's got bump stops, it's got independent suspension. It'll do just about anything we need it to do.
Very, very cool. Well, it's good to see you guys out here. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
You getting excited?
Yeah, of course. I'm ready to hold the stop sign. I'm Mr. Stop Sign this time. So basically I'll be in charge of safety. So
you're the safety officer. That just doesn't go well, man. Andrew Bailey being in charge of safety.
Mr. Get Down, right?
What do you think is different so far from last year, other than the weather?
Man, the weather is great. Things are, we have the same crew back again, and we had a few of us that were new last year. So to me, it was like a lot of confusion, right? You're like, it's like hurry up and wait or ask a question. So this year, you know a lot more about what's going on, and that helps a lot, to be honest with you. No, I'm excited. We'll have a good night tonight. So
absolutely.
I'll see you guys soon. Boom.
Boom. So the first few trucks came by. How is it?
It's exhilarating, dude. It's fast.
It's intense.
It is.
It's really intense.
It's fast, it's powerful, it's loud, and it's not like anything you've ever experienced in your life.
Yeah, guys, this is absolutely insane. It is so freaking cool to see these trucks so close hauling mail. I mean, it is insane. You stand 3-4 feet away from these trucks and they just blast by you. What a crazy feeling. A lot of vehicles coming through here still, and a bunch of vehicles stop. So we're gonna cover it for you guys. Hang on.
Up. Nice lights clean, guys. Finger foot on the side. Lobby's on the way. All clear, guys?
That, ladies and gentlemen, was the Bronco R Ford Performance Team Ford Bronco that was already here last year. This time I don't think they had any issues. Seemed to be pretty smooth. It was a super quick pit stop, so I'm happy for them. What was that?
About run me over.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's just ready to go. He was ready for the throttle, but that was the new Ford Bronco. We experienced it last year here in the pits, and we had a good time with it. It was awesome. They had a little trouble last year, and man, they beefed up the front end. I was checking it out a little bit too, and they made some awesome changes, and she's holding together nicely. So good for the Ford Bronco team. It's awesome.
Awesome.
All right, cool.
Yeah. You okay?
Aaron, Mike. Untangle it, dude. My shoulder harnesses, please. Sound good?
Yeah.
Have a good race, fellas.
What's cooking over here? Spaghetti?
Spaghetti and meat sauce.
Oh yeah.
Late night dinner.
Race recap.
Woo! We got all kinds of stuff coming into the fab shop. We got fuels. We had Bronco came through already.
Yeah.
That was bitching.
That was cool. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. The last car came by. We're done. We're packing up camp and we're headed out of here. Whew, it was a rough night. A really, really rough night. Long night, but yeah, it was a blast. I would say that's a wrap. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave us a comment, and yeah, maybe we'll come back next year. Let us know. Should we do more desert racing stuff? Thanks for watching. See you guys later.